In the southern regions, there were 5 colonies: Maryland, Virginia, North Carolina, South Carolina, and Georgia.
The southern regions had warm summers with mild winters. The land was fertile so you can farm.
Life on plantations was hard. Many enslaved African Americans worked their whole lives. Even young children worked too. It was a hard time for slaves.
Life for slaves. All slaves worked for plantations. In a plantation, slaves worked all day, and if you ran away, you were killed.
The southern colonies specialized in farming rice, cotton, and tobacco. They also made forest products.
The English lived in plantations with slaves, and their houses were like mansions. Kids had few schools, and all lived in counties.
Natural resources in the southern colonies were fertile land, rivers, and harbors. And human resources were farmers and enslaved African Americans.
The reason the English came from England was to spread Christianity and for economic reasons.